These are some ways that you can make it easier to keep track of student uploads and to keep track of School Talk progressions. In my calendar here, I made some folders. A Google Classroom link, so your students can always find where Google Classroom is. This one has a link to my term planning folder. And then I'd like to look at these ones here and this one. Starting with uploads, it's a good idea to put an uploads box in your timetable, and this means that you can set some goals that you want students to make uploads against. If you've been working on a particular process or skill, then you can load the goals into the Design for Learning here. Students will be able to choose the goal that meets their level. If we flick to a student view, it looks pretty much the same. They can choose the first progression which isn't green. So we'll go to the lowest one here, level 2, click on the comprehension, click on progress, and from here your students can add evidence into their School Talk from any one of these ways. When they've written a comment, I get them to show me, and when I OK it, they click post. This will mean that as a teacher, when you go to the same folder, you can see progress for your class. And the best thing is you only see those objectives that you've chosen already, and students' uploads will pop into here with an orange circle. So that's a really good way to be able to find the progressions that they have uploaded against quickly instead of sorting through lots and lots of progressions. Another idea could be this, to keep track of your progressions. I've made some new folders here, one for each progression, and multiplication and division is what we're working on this term. So in the folder I added all progressions against the levels that are in my classroom. So all multiv from level 2 up to early 4. As I do my plan each week, I can take one of these goals, put it into my planning, and then remove it from the goals just by going here and unclicking the arrow. That way, next week, I will still know which progressions I haven't covered, and the progressions that I have covered are not there anymore. And this can be updated at any stage or any strand. I made those progressions in maths, reading, and writing. And so again, I can keep track of, and then I can take out the progressions as I work on them. So hopefully those are some ideas for ways that you can link your School Talk calendar more specifically into the work that you're teaching in class.